In this video, I'll show you how to upload your company logo to Salesforce so your workspace reflects your brand and gives users a consistent visual identity every time they log in. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the Administrative Customization area. In the Quick Find search box on the left, type Themes and Branding and open that page where all visual themes for your organization are managed. Select New Theme, give it a clear name, and look for the option to upload a brand image or logo. Then choose your file from your computer and preview it to ensure it is not stretched or blurry. After confirming the appearance, click Save and then activate the theme so the logo becomes visible across the entire organization. If the update does not appear immediately, refresh the browser or reopen the tab to load the new branding correctly. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.